Hello everyone. Welcome to Unit 5, Quality Management. In this unit, we'll be focusing on the quality management aspects of financial and performance management. There are 3 learning objectives of this unit. After completing this unit, you should be able to evaluate quality management tools, compare organizational operations and processes to international standards, apply performance management tools. There are 2 required readings. One is the article on the impact of operations capability on firm performance from International Journal of Production Research, written by Tan, Kannan and Narasimhan. The other one is the article on application of benchmarking for assessing the lean manufacturing implementation. This is from the journal Benchmarking and International Journal. This article is authored by Gurumurthy and Kodali. These readings are very important because it will help you to develop your concepts and also background knowledge so that you can apply that for solving organizational problems. There are a few optional readings which I will encourage you to go through. One is on target costing, coordination, strategic cost management. Another one, designing cost competitive technology products through cost management. The third one is the competitive environment and strategy of target costing implementers. And the fourth one is assessing JIT, that means just in time, JIT performance and econometric approach. So if you read the optional readings, then it will help you to advance your knowledge further. As usual, you also have the media related to the Anthony's Orchard company, okay, and that one is very important for your individual assignment as well as the final project that you are going to complete very soon. As I always say, when you start the unit, review all unit materials and announcements. Read the unit preview in the course content area, okay, learning objective, unit introduction, and familiarize yourself with the unit resources, activities, assignments, and assessment criteria. Do not forget to read the required readings that I have already told you, and also watch or browse or listen the required media, which is Anthony's Orchard case study in your case. Now, the first thing you should do is complete the check your knowledge quiz. This will particularly help you to assess your level of understanding of the readings. And do not wait to post your initial response to the shared activity forum. And also read the initial posting of your colleagues to the shared activities and start responding. Also, review the assessment criteria for the final project because you know that ultimately your grade will come from the final project. Ultimately, the major part of your grade will come from your final project, and the individual assignments are linked to the final project. So your successful completion of individual assignment is also going to help you to complete the final project successfully. Okay, and start working on the individual assignment perhaps from the very beginning of the unit. Do not forget to continue participation in the shared activities, and also keep your eyes on the feedback on your past shared activities. And based on that, try to improve your shared activities performance in this unit. Submit your individual assignment in time. That is very important for getting your timely feedback, and also for preparing the next assignment based on the feedback. What about the shared activities? In this unit, you will have to assess the benchmarking effort in the shared activities forum. What you have to do, you have to review the benchmarking efforts of your own organization or one with which you are familiar if you do not want to do that for your own organization. So what do? You examine how this organization measures customer satisfaction and how performance is benchmarked. So you have to create a post explaining these organizations' benchmarking efforts, and you have to identify how the benchmarks are aligned with or address the international standard of quality. You will also have to explain the degree to which the existing benchmarks align with existing organizational goal. And if you find that the benchmarking does not exist in that organization, then you have to identify some organizational goals that could benefit from benchmarking activities, and also strategies, identify the strategies you would recommend for employing the benchmarking. After this, I am going to talk about the individual assignment. In this unit, your individual assignment is basically the gap analysis and benchmarking for Anthony's Orchard. The management has expressed their concern over the lack of successful efforts to measure organizational quality. So, to address that, you will conduct a gap analysis and also devise a benchmarking review for Anthony's Orchard. I hope that you will be able to apply your knowledge in the gap analysis and benchmarking review for Anthony's Orchard case study. With best wishes, see you in the class. Thank you very much.